Hi guys, today I'm going to do a mythic shower. Like and subscribe to go see more videos. I'm going to post Bee Swarm Simulator. Let's just watch this mythic shower. I think we don't get anything good. We don't get anything. So I guess I'm just going to skip it. The Mondo is on bamboo. Yeah, maybe it's normal in Ohio. Bro, what is doing here, but if we kill him? It's going to give us the loot in the bamboo field. What the fuck? Okay, that's weird. Let's see if we are going to get Mythic. And nothing. Okay, I'm going to buy some royal jellies, so I'm gonna spend all my honey. So yeah, let's buy some. Okay, we buy it some. Let's see if we can get a Mythic. Yes, I gifted Baby Bee. Wow, that's really good. Okay, let's see more. Maybe we will get a Mythic. Yes, a gifted diamond bee. Wow, okay, that's good. Let's see if we can get a Mythic. Probably not. Okay, that's all. We don't get a Mythic. Okay, let's see another Mythic shower. And in this Mythic shower, we get nothing again. Like I always get nothing from Mythic shower. I don't know why, but okay. Okay, there's a Windy. I'm going to get my Cloud Vial. To donate it and kill the Windy. Let's see if he has to get a cloud. Let's go donate it. $10 Cloud Vial, and no, we don't get it. Okay, no problem. Let's go kill again. Let's donate more Cloud Vial. And it's not. Are you serious? Let's donate more. And it's not. That's sad. Let's donate another one. And it's not. Let's donate another one. I donated so much. I don't know why I'm not getting the windy. And it's not absolutely. Okay, let's donate another one. And no. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Watch this last one. We take shower, and yeah, that's all. Bye.